Keurig Duo Coffee Maker. Brand Keurig Color Black Special Feature Programmable Coffee Maker Type Drip Coffee Machine. What's in the box? 12-cup glass carafe included with your brewer, along with a heating plate to keep coffee hot. Brew a cup and a carafe used both ground coffee and K-cup pods. Height with handle open 17.63 inch height with drip cover open 18 inch. Multiple brew sizes. Brew a 6, 8, 10, or 12-cup carafe and a 6, 8, 10, or 12-ounce cup. Compatible with Keurig Gold Tone Mesh Filter Accessory, a reusable coffee filter you can use to brew your perfect carafe. Large 60-ounce water reservoir. The 60-ounce water reservoir.
OXO Brew 8-cup coffee maker, stainless steel, capacity 64 fluid ounces, brand OXO, color stainless steel. Special feature manual coffee maker type drip coffee machine. About this OXO machine: gold standard coffee certified by the Specialty Coffee Association. Brew by the cup or the carafe. Single serve capability with optional brew basket accessory included. Optimizes flavor better, brew precision, controls water temperature and brew cycles, meeting the Specialty Coffee Association's Golden Cup standard. Rainmaker shower head evenly distributes water over grounds. Double wall, vacuum insulated thermal carafe with brew. Ninja hot and cold brewed system, Auto IQ tea and coffee maker with 6 brew sizes, 5 brew styles, frother, coffee and amp. Tea baskets with glass carafe, capacity 1 fluid ounces. Ninja brand coffee machine, color black. Special feature programmable. It is material plastic coffee machine. Brew multiple brew sizes, ranging from a pod-free single cup or travel mug, all the way up to a full carafe. Hot brewing lets you enjoy a bold, flavorful cup of hot coffee or tea, or brew over ice to create full flavored, refreshing